Hi guys, welcome to Guarantee RV. My name is Kirk Blair and I'm here to show you the Salem. It's a 2015 used piece of inventory here at Guarantee. It is a 2-1 RBS, which means it's about a 21 footer house size with a rear bath with a slide out. So let's take a look at it real quick. As we kind of make our way around it, you can tell this does have power jacks, which is a nice feature on this guy. It does have nice storage bay all the way through the front, a good pass-through storage. This is towable by a half-ton vehicle, and most of your half-tons should be able to do this. It's a pretty light trailer. Fiberglass sided, Schwintek slide out. The dinette is in the slide out. It's kind of a nice feature. Let's make our way around this side. It does have the larger propane tanks on here too, which is awesome. So yeah, let's take a look at that big storage area, which is awesome. So we also, as you make your way down too, you can tell we have outdoor speakers. We're going to have a power awning. You have your little porch light. It's got your nice features to it. Nothing too crazy on this back side here. Let's go ahead and jump inside and see what we got. So right as you come into this unit, I'm going to go ahead and open these doors for you. We're going to have this box here. Sorry about the storage there. The storage hanging, storage down below. Right when you come in, nice little closet area for your linens or whatever you choose. Coat rack there. And a rear bath with an actual shower glass enclosure, which I like because then you don't be taking a shower and the curtain doesn't get all stuck on you or anything like that. So as you make your way around, we have a little entertainment area here, your DVD player and stuff, and radio, your entertainment to the unit mounted up to here. Big dinette. I like the wraparound booth dinettes. You get the family around to play cards or anything like that. That also makes into a large bed. This kind of has an open floor plan of sorts. It's going to have open to the bedroom. Here's your front bed. You have closets on either side, storage up front. It is pretty accessible, and it does have storage underneath as well that is open to the outside, but you can get a good view of how large that storage area is. Plop that down. And then the kitchen area here does have a full-size nice fridge, stainless steel appliances, oven, sink. It does have a nice double sink. Drawers in the kitchen, which are a plus. A lot of nice features on this guy. This trailer and anything here at Guarantee, new or used, my name is Kirk Blair. Please ask for me. My name is Kirk. My cell phone is 541-601-8742. Feel free to give us a call. Thank you so much.